Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. I'm sure most of you have heard of a car referred to as a Woody. They became especially popular in the 40s and 50s. This is what started it all. This is a 1929 Ford Woody station wagon. Less than 1/3 of 1% of all the Model A's built were Woody station wagons in 1929. First one was built by Edsel Ford for his estate up in Maine, and then Murray Body decided to put this into production, and they started building the cars. This one here is ground up restored. It's truly one of the nicest finishes I've ever seen on any Model A. It's got third row seating, so I guess you could say it might be the first SUV as well. We did purchase this as part of that Claude O estate. We got 25 cars from him. All of them were in fantastic condition. He did keep a full-time mechanic because he wanted to be able to drive any car at any time. So not only his cars look beautiful, they seem to function exceptionally well also. So you can go to volocars.com. That's where you can read the specs, take your time, look at all the pictures, and you will find a price tag on every car, including a monthly finance option as well at volocars.com. Hope you enjoy the videos. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. Make sure you click on the bell icon. That way you're notified as the new ones are posted, because you never know what might be next. But for right now, buckle up. Let's go for a spin. So underneath the car is very clean. The metal, the frame, the suspension, the components, just all nice clean metal. There's not a nut or bolt you couldn't just take off with a wrench. It's not rusted, old and greasy. The wood floor is in excellent shape. You look up at the motor, it's super clean. The 3-speed transmission's clean. It has the original banjo rear end, they call it, the original style exhaust. So I don't know what really more to say underneath other than it's very clean, tidy, looks proper. Now, the body, the metal, there's no fiberglass on this car. It's genuine metal running boards, fenders, hood, and it is finished as nice or nicer than any Model A I've ever seen. These fenders are like glass. I mean laser beam straight. There's no poor body work. A lot of people restore Model A's because it's an easy car to restore. A lot of people do these in their garage. They do it as a hobby. This was done by a professional or someone who really knew what they were doing. There's no bad body work showing. They're not wavy. They're not lumpy. And the paint is like glass. It's not old age. It's not cracking. So again, paint, fit, and finish, amazing. And this is all metal. The wood, also in excellent shape. I believe it's maple wood with birch inserts, and all of it looks to be in excellent shape. None of it's coming apart or rotten or warped, or I don't see any signs of any water damage whatsoever. The car was restored in the 2000s, early 2000s, what I was told. And it's got a nice clear coat varnish that brought out the nice golden colors. Up on top, it has the visor and the roof are covered with this, they call it cobra grain material. This is the correct material. And actually, it's soft top. There's just wood slats. It's not a solid roof. It just has the cobra material on top. It has the correct taillights. They're probably reproduction. They're like new. This is a tailgate that opens. We'll get to that in a little while. You notice the side curtains. These do unsnap. They come off. They're in excellent shape. I do not have them for the two front doors. We are going to check on that. Maybe they're sitting around where we bought the collection from, but as of right now, I don't have them. I'm sure those are easy to get. They're pretty darn simple. So there's welting in between the body parts. That's been replaced. The ribbed rubber on the running boards is in excellent shape. We got 5 of these tires. restored wire wheel with the Ford script caps. They all have this nice valve stem cover. Firestone tire, they're all matching. It has an electric wiper. The chrome gas cap, that's where you got to put the gas, is excellent. Chrome radiator shell, I think that was an option because some of them would have been black. This is a Motometer. This is your temperature gauge. It's actually a little thermometer. You can see it from inside. Correct headlights. It has the Ford script right on it. Ford script right on the glass lenses. Correct Spartan horn. It has a Spartan tag on it still. Front bumper is in beautiful shape. Has a mirror on one side. The windshield opens. You can see we have the air conditioning on right now. It actually opens up further, or of course you can close it. The rubber seals are replaced. Here's more body welting. And right here is the Murray body tag, still attached to the body there. New chrome door handles. And the wood, again, is solid and in beautiful shape. So let's open it up, see what's inside. There's a little latch here on each side. Tailgate swings down. You got a big heavy chain here. You'll notice the whole inside of the car is wood floors and sides and even the ceiling. Now this seat right here swings out of the way, and once you tip it forward, it allows you to unhook the front leg. So this seat can be lifted right out and removed if you have to haul items in here. But again, look how the wood's refinished beautifully. I like the old screws that are in here. Just nice, clean. Everything is restored beautifully, even up under this seat. So you can see the burlap is replaced, the springs are painted, and it's all the correct upholstery. Now we've got bucket seats, pass-through seating, I think they call it now in the SUVs, and it's the same thing. They flip up out of the way, and then you just lift the seat right out of there, and you can remove these seats as well. It has leather straps. Oh no, they're rubber straps, so the door don't open too far. Everything's refinished just like new. So the dash is a nice smooth satin black finish. The whole instrument panel here I'm sure is replaced because sparkling chrome, correct gauges, they work. Pop out ignition, a lot of people don't have that. When you turn the key it pops out. A lot of them just have on off. It has a floating gas gauge. The gas gauge you can actually see like kind of bobbing around. The fuel tank is right out there. On the floor up front here, it's got a nice correct rubber mat. Looks like there's a battery kill switch down here for when it's parked for a while. Steering wheel has a little age, a little wear in the steering wheel. Got a nice beveled mirror. And then this is the ceiling I was talking about. This is the canvas material over these wood slats. But just beautiful woodwork inside and out. Of course, the front seat's upholstered. It's fixed. It doesn't move, but the bottom cushion comes out. There is some storage underneath it. I also wanted to show you how this was notched, the wood, so it fits around the tire so you can open the door a little further. Now the engine. It's a 40 horsepower, 4-cylinder motor. It was completely apart and restored, and it's all done authentic. The hoses, the clamps, the spark plug, still call that a wire. The starter we just had rebuilt. Might as well come around to the other side too. There's the Motometer. This side has the carburetor, an exhaust manifold. Everything's proper, just the way it would have been, except for the chrome cover on the coil. Everything else is stock. So there you go. This is pretty cool. I was just thinking of this third row seating. Cars didn't really offer that back then. If you had a family, you just packed them in there, I guess. But pretty cool. Or you take the seats out and you have a work vehicle. This was a one-owner car for 32 years, I was told as well. Beautifully restored, very rare vehicle, very cute to look at, fun to drive. I mean, it's a 45-mile-an-hour car. The Model A is so much easier to drive than a Model T. They made big improvements. So if you are looking for something old like this, definitely want to look at a Model A. So there you have it. I'm really impressed with this one. Go to volocars.com. I just gave you my impression. Salesmen can help answer questions. They can help get this delivered to your driveway. And they can help you finance it as well at volocars.com. Really hope you enjoy the videos. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on that bell icon. So we've got some great cars coming up. Thanks for watching.